Hey, hello folks, so today I'm back here with another video, and this video we'll see how to download Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019 for free. So I've given a link in the description. Go and click that link and you will end up here in Drive. Go and download the file which I have given. So I'm cancelling the download because I have already downloaded. So go to the file which you have downloaded, go and unzip the file. So once you have, let us wait for the file to get unzipped. So guys, if you see here the file has got unzipped, go inside the file, go to the first folder, and there is a disk image file. Double click it. So you'll end up over here. Go to this file where it says O install, and there will be an installer which will be coming. Go and select Office 2019 and select the option Pro Plus 2019 and select whatever you want. You have a range of Microsoft files here: Word, Excel, Access, etc. So I need Word, Excel, Access. I don't need Outlook. I don't need Skype. I don't need OneDrive. I need PowerPoint. I need OneNote. Go and install the Office. So let us wait for the Office to be downloaded. So now as you can see, the file is Office is installing. So let us wait for the Office to be installed. So guys, if you see here, I put all these videos of how to download free softwares and all those stuff. So first of all, if you need to do all this, the Windows firewall must be turned off. So I'll put another video how to turn off that firewall and how to turn off the security. So if you have all those turned on, this won't work. Guys, so if there is any specific need of any technical stuff, just comment below so that I'll make a video on it. If you want any specific files to be downloaded, notify me. And guys, so the download is over. So Office has got installed. We'll check over here. So I think we have Excel over here. So don't open the file over here. Don't open any Excel file, like don't open any file. Go to the file which you extracted, go to the activator and make sure you run as administrator. Don't just open, run as administrator. That is the main point over here. So just wait for the command to be over. Once this is done, you have your Office ready. So it's activating, as you all can see. So guys, if you see here, product activation is successful. So guys, you have your Office running. So let me just go and open Excel quickly. So Excel is opening. So guys, let me open a blank workbook. So go to the product activation. So yeah, as you all can see, the product is activated and it's Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019. And guys, it's for free. That's it. So thank you guys. Let me get back to you in another video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe and comment below. Thank you.
Go.